my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 5 Continents Quiz. A continent is a large mass of land. There are 7 continents in the world. Look at the map to know them. Okay, there are 7 continents. 1, 2, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. Read the clues and identify the continents. Okay, let me start. 1. It is the largest continent on earth, the highest mountain peak. Okay, Mount Everest is located on this continent, Asia. Number 2. It is the second largest continent in the world. It contains the largest desert, the Sahara Desert in the world. It is Africa. C. It is the third largest continent on earth. It is dominated by its 3 largest countries, Canada, Mexico, and the United States, North America. Four. It is the fourth largest and the fifth most populated continent in the world. The world's highest waterfall, the Angel Falls, is located on this continent, South America. Number 5. It is the southernmost continent on earth. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent in the world. 98% of this continent is covered with ice. Antarctica. Number 6. It is the only continent without any desert. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is situated on this continent, Europe. And the last one, number 7, it is the smallest continent in the world. It is also known as the island continent, Australia. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. Facts on Earth. Environmental literacy. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere, oceans of liquid water, and life. Magma is the hot liquid rock under the surface of the Earth. It is called lava when it comes out of a volcano. The Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down. It is almost imperceptible because it is happening at the rate of 17 milliseconds per 100 years. The Earth has an ozone layer, a layer of the gas ozone which protects it from the harmful solar radiation. It absorbs most of the sun's powerful UV rays. The Earth is the only planet not named after a god. The Earth 7 planets in the solar system. Okay, so all are named after Roman gods and goddesses. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Influential personalities. Every country has produced several great men and women. The following are some such inspiring personalities who had a great influence on the world. So write the name of the country which each of them belongs to. 1. Abraham Lincoln. He has been one of the most famous presidents of his country. He ended slavery in his country. Abraham Lincoln. United States of America. USA. United States of America. Number 2. Winston Churchill. He was the prime minister of his country and is considered the best leader to have led during World War II. So he was a soldier, journalist, and an author too. So with England. 3. Vladimir Lenin. He was a great thinker and leader. Under his leadership, peasants and workers overthrew the reign of cruel and unjust rulers. Russia. 4. Nelson Mandela. This great leader fought against the policy of the oppression of black people by the whites. He spent 27 years in jail for this but later became president of his country. South Africa. 5. Mother Teresa. She is one of the most highly respected women in the world. She was born in Europe but spent most of her life in an Asian country serving the poor, the destitute, and the dying. India. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. On the move. Look at the pictures, read the descriptions, and fill in the blanks to name the places shown. Number 1. An underground passage built under hill or a river tunnel. 2. A place where aeroplanes land and take off from airport. Number 3. A road built across a river bridge. 4. A road that goes over another road. Highway. Flyover. Number 5. A place where ships are loaded and unloaded. Dock. Number 6. A place where passengers boards and get off trains. Railway station. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Countries and their capitals. Read the clues on the next page about the capitals of some countries. Find the names of capital in this world grid and circle them. Also write the numbers against the capital in boxes given below the grid. Okay. Kathmandu, this one. Rome, next one is Rome. Paris, Berlin, Beijing, Washington, D.C., Washington, next London, Tokyo, Canberra, Bangkok, Dhaka. Okay. Now अब हमें नंबर लिखने हैं इनके. Capital of Italy. The city is known for its beautiful buildings. Rome. 1. 2. The capital of England, Buckingham Palace, the residence of the Queen of England, is situated here. London. The capital of Thailand, this city is called the City of Angels. Bangkok. The capital of Australia, this is the largest inland city of Australia. Number 4. Canberra. 5. The capital of Japan, this is the home of Japanese royal family. Tokyo. The capital of China, this city was earlier known as Peking. 6. Beijing. 7. The capital of France, the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre Museum of located here. Number 7 is Paris. 8. The capital of the United States of America, the US President lives here in the White House. Number 8 is number 8. Washington DC. 9. The capital of Bangladesh, this is the largest city of Bangladesh. It is also known as the city of mosque and Muslim. Dhaka. Number 10. The capital of Germany, a wall divided the city separating East and West Germany for more than 28 years. It was demolished in 1989. Berlin. The capital of Nepal, the city is known for the Pashupatinath temple, Kathmandu. 11. Okay, the puzzle is solved. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Information explorers of the world. An explorer is a person who travels to unknown places to know more about them. Read about some explorers here. Neil Armstrong. Who is he? Neil Armstrong was the first human being to walk on the moon on 20 July 1969. Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama was a famous Portuguese explorer who sailed around the continent and of Africa. In 1498, he reached the coast of Calicut in India. Valentina Tereshkova. Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman to travel in space. In 1963, she was also the first space traveler who had never been a test pilot. Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was the first European to reach America. In 1492, he named the people He made their Indians as he actually wanted to explore a western sea route to Asia. Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan was a famous Portuguese explorer. He traveled from the Atlantic to the Pacific Ocean. He was the leader of the first European expedition to cross it. The Strait of Magellan is named after him. Bartolomeu Dias. Bartolomeu Dias was an explorer from Portugal, sailed around the tip of Africa in 1488. So he called in the Cape of Storms. Later it came to be known as the Cape of Good Hope. Trace the route of his journey on a map. Now it's time to quick quiz. Who said the words one small step for men, one giant leap for mankind? Neil Armstrong. Which European traveler was one of the first to travel the Silk Route to China? Marco Polo. In which Indian city did Vasco da Gama die? Cochin. Who was the second man to walk on the moon? Buzz Aldrin. Dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.